I guess where I come from is that at the heart of every business transaction is a relationship. So people don't buy your product, they buy the feeling, the emotion, the desire, the fulfillment. It's the same if you're an accountant or you're a business consultant, or you're running a little online shop that you've got big dreams for. With every single customer comes a desire to be connected with, to be understood, to be communicated with. It's just the same as any kind of relationship, except, yeah, there's a transaction involved. So what my passion is for every business owner to really understand what it is that their customers think and feel and want, and then to change their language to match what that customer thinks, feels, and wants. I'll give you an example. You might be 40 years old and in your home life, your personal life, quite conservative, but your business deals with people who are more in their, say, mid-20s, young professionals just starting out. If you sound like a 40-year-old who's been around a little bit and knows a lot, and you don't change your tone and your language to sound and feel like that 25-year-old, it's not that they don't want your product. There's nothing in it that's actually drawing them in. This all sounds expensive, but it's not. It's actually about using words and language and tone to be able to draw people in and make them feel comfortable. And once they're in, then it's up to you and your business whether you keep them or not. But language is absolutely everything.